Guys, I have created the ultimate indicator that is going to help you make consistent prop firm payouts. I have just hit a $44,000 payout with Bullnox, and I've taken a payout every single month using this indicator and all of the confluences that it lists for me. I truly believe clarity is one of the most important things to have on the charts. So having an indicator that does all of these things for me is just less things for me to worry about, and it's going to be more money in your pocket. All right, guys, so the first major feature of this indicator is it has my built-in checklist. Now, when you're watching this video, I may have already updated it, but I'm also going to add where it spits out a rating from obviously F to A+ based on what boxes you tick here. So this checklist has been back tested from January to now, over 177 trades. And if you follow this checklist, you will have a 77% win rate, okay? It has an 80% win rate if you just take a 1-to-1 base hit. It is a 63% win rate at a 1-to-2 risk reward, so on and so forth. But it is very, very profitable. This is my personal checklist, and having this on in real time, you can really discern whether it's a good setup or if you're just being emotional and taking some random BS. Okay, guys, so feature number 2 is equal highs and equal lows. It is automatically going to map these out for you and mark them as so. Equal highs and equal lows are super, super good draws on liquidity. Price is often going to seek those areas out, so it can help you find targets or internal, external liquidity and stuff like that. And again, I don't need to constantly be looking for them. The indicator is just going to do it for me, keep it marked until price actually comes up and sweeps those areas. And by the way, guys, just a quick little ramble. You might be saying to yourself like, oh, I don't need this indicator. I'll do it all for myself. Guys, this indicator is a form of investing in yourself. If you really want to take trading seriously, if you really want to make this a full-time hobby and you're nickel and diming on a $20 indicator, whatever the case may be, it doesn't even have to be mine. I'm just saying in general, you're not going to make it. You have to be willing to invest into yourself and not cut corners. It's the same way when you're buying prop firm accounts. It's the same way when you're buying indicators or evals or activation fees, right? You have to be willing to go the full mile and do whatever it takes to give you an edge. Because again, could I sit here and could I mark out all of these different things by myself? 100%. But is that 20 or whatever, $30 a month, is that worth the clarity on the charts? I hit one good trade, guys, with my copy trading. I'm making $10,000 to $20,000, right? So it is a no-brainer to invest something like this if it helps my trading even a little bit. I just want to put it out there. Hey guys, the next feature is very simple. It's just going to mark out all your fair value gaps automatically. You can set it in the settings to determine how many fair value gaps you want to see or how far out. But also what we added was a special green and red coloring option. So with the inverted fair value gap setups, I always get asked, Tempo, how big do you like the gaps? What kind of gaps do you look for? These are going to automatically code the high quality ones versus the low quality ones. So the high quality ones are going to be marked out green for bullish, red for bearish, and then the low quality ones are going to be marked out in gray. So you already know which are the high win rate IFEGs and which are the low win rate IFEGs. Okay, guys, one of the most important features of the indicator is that it marks out and automatically tracks 50% of the daily range. That is this yellow line right here. This is one of the best support and resistance levels I have found since I started trading. Now, if you don't understand how to use this support and resistance level, do not worry. I dropped an entire thread on my Twitter going over with breakdowns, but basically price draws into this 50 level, taps off of it like a support and resistance, and now we combine that with our ICT entry model, and you can take the long or the short, whatever the case may be. And we get these setups almost every single day, every single week. It is so consistent, reliable. If you just put this on your chart and observe how price reacts to it, it is magic. Now, it is a dynamic indicator because it is mapping out the midpoint of the daily range. So as we make a new high a day and a new low of day, this level is going to change. And that's annoying, right? Because in the middle of price action, you don't want to constantly be adjusting it and having to go to the daily candle and constantly adjusting it. So this indicator automatically moves and has that marked out. Next up, guys, we have all of the 1 hour and 4 hour swing lows marked out. I get asked a lot, Tempo, what areas of liquidity, what levels do you look for. And again, those are your hourly and 4-hour highs and lows. I don't have to go on the higher time frame and tab out and do all this stuff and mark it out like I used to. I can simply just sit on the lower time frame at all times. This indicator is going to mark out all of the nearest major highs and lows for me, and when those sweep, it's even going to update and then show me the next major area of liquidity. So it's very, very nice. Before, I had to go on the hourly, you know, take this tool, mark it out. Once it's swept, I had to take the tool and mark it out again, and that just saves me a lot of time and energy. Okay, guys, next up is the London and Asia kill zones. It's going to mark those out for you. So combined with the 1 hour and 4 hour high and low, the other major levels I use every single day are the London and Asia session highs and lows, and this is just going to mark those out. Now you could see even today, like we have the red line, which is London, we have the blue line, which is Asia. It's automatically marked out. So now you could see here the Asia low sweeps. I know that a lot of the time price is going to reverse once that happens, and I can look for that long that I actually did take this morning with my private group, and you could see the indicator marked that level out for me, so I knew it was time to look for a reversal. All right, guys, hopefully you enjoyed. That is my personal indicator that I use every single day to make 5 figures a month with prop firms. We are open to adding features and tweaking things just to make it the most optimized and best indicator in the community. So if you have any suggestions, please let us know. And again, it will be in the description if you are interested. If you want to invest in yourself in 2026 and you want to be a full-time trader, you need tools that are going to give you an edge. And this has helped me out tremendously. It helps me find setups every single day. So it's a no-brainer, man. All right, I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy. Peace.